Here's a super quick music notation tip you can use in your music right away. I think as a musician, we have this tendency of writing music in the most common meters, 4/4. Statistically, there are probably a lot more music in 4/4 than any other meter, or even 2/4. They're related, but people mostly write in 4/4 but not 2/4. But something else you have to think about is if your music is really slow, or if you have a lot of things going on within one quarter note beat, 4/4 might be a little bit too long. I had a teacher telling me once that if you want your performers to perform your music very accurately, especially in a sight reading setting, you want to actually make your measures a little bit shorter. That might be changing your 4/4 meter to 2/4, or your 9/8 meter to 3/8 or 6/8. And at first I was like, why does that make a difference? It makes a big difference when I was playing my own music. It's pretty slow, quarter note equals 50, and not only is it slow, but it's got a lot of notes going on. There are 30 seconds everywhere. I was in this measure, and I played those chords, and I got to the 10 30-second notes. I was like, wait a second, is that A natural, or is that A sharp? And I have backtracked myself all the way to the very beginning of the measure. Had I taken my teacher's advice and actually just split this into 2 measures, would have had another accidental here to tell them A sharp. You could add this as a courtesy accidental. That is totally valid. And I'm not saying like there's a right or wrong answer. It works as for this piece has been performed before, and I never had any problem with it. But now I'm playing my own music. I do get that sometimes if your music is slow and it's very detailed, I feel like there is a definite mental advantage to breaking things into like a small groups of beats. Let me know what you think. Interesting things that I only think about when I have to play my own music.